Creating an emergency fund with EveryDollar is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. To begin, understand that an emergency fund is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or losing your job. The goal is to have enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Step 1 is to determine your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. You can use the EveryDollar app to track your spending and make a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your monthly expenses, you can calculate how much you need to save for your emergency fund. Next, decide on a savings goal. Whether it is 3 months or 6 months of expenses, it is essential to be realistic and start with a manageable goal. If you are new to saving, you may want to begin with a smaller goal, such as 1 month of expenses, and gradually increase it over time. Now, set up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This account should be easily accessible, such as a savings account at your bank, but not so accessible that you are tempted to use the money for non-essential purchases. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. It is also vital to prioritize your emergency fund savings. Make saving for your emergency fund a priority by allocating a fixed amount each month. You can use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. In addition to saving, it is crucial to avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-essential purchases. Treat your emergency fund as a separate entity from your everyday spending money. If you need to use your emergency fund, make sure it is for a genuine emergency, and replenish the fund as soon as possible. Finally, review and adjust your emergency fund regularly. As your income and expenses change, you may need to adjust your savings goal or contributions. Use the EveryDollar app to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. By following these best practices, you can create a robust emergency fund with EveryDollar that will provide you with peace of mind and financial security. Remember to stay consistent, patient, and disciplined, and you will be well on your way to achieving financial stability.